The display is located in the lower lobby of 600 Grant Street here in Pittsburgh. This is the property formerly known as the U.S. Steel Building. It's the largest building in all of Pittsburgh, built back in the 70s. This lobby had remained essentially unchanged since the original construction of the building. Nanolumens is the manufacturer of the display itself. They reached out to us and were looking for a partner in the Pittsburgh area to be able to support and install. Their challenge was to re-envision this lower lobby area, and they needed a significant integrator to be able to pull all of the pieces together and make it a successful project. Dobil has a long track record of installing direct LED installations in the region. We have installed the highest resolution. Actually, it was the first ever installed in the world. So they selected Dobil because of that long track record, and we were able to meet their needs. This project, this display at 600 Grant, is the largest display that we've installed to date. It's 80 inches high, 378 inches wide. The image is created through an array of 5,530,000 individual LEDs. The panel itself is manufactured by Nanolumens. It is a 1.8 millimeter HDS Engage series wall. Major project to install, but Dobil, with scheduling and coordination, was able to install the entire panel within about a week. So the takeaway on this is that the project was installed on time, it was installed on budget, and it absolutely meets the criteria of renovating and transforming the lobby that people can experience as they enter the building and even as they walk past on the sidewalk outside. And this couldn't have happened without a total teamwork approach, not only the project management team, but also the technical team from Dobil and Nanolumens working together to create a successful project.